Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Junior KG. Let's play with numbers. Lesson number 5, page number 18 and 19. Today's topic is thin and fat. Everyone has different body shapes. Some of them are thin and some are fat. Let's look at page number 18. There are two boys. This one is fat. 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 This boy is thin. 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 Look at page 19. Here we have some pictures. Color the fat animal and circle the thin animal. Now look at here. There are two dogs. This dog is thin. Circle it. This dog is fat. Color it. Now complete page number 19. Jazakallah.